How to find privacy settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find privacy settings on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser, and here you will find these three lines in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find the web page, not this one. Scroll down and here you will find it privacy. Here you can manage privacy settings, browsing privacy, or privacy notice anything you want, and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.